cleaning my aquarium, getting out all the algae, wash the rocks, and my 4 fish or 6 fish that's alive. Where are they? I catch them. So this is the same solution, pool water. So I have 2 suckers and 4 fish left from about 30 fish that I had. My 8 koi fish died. 2 died before the 6 died one time because I was draining the aquarium to change the water and forgot and left it and go to Ochi. And when the guy that was working saw it, it was a little bit too late. Like, it wasn't empty, but they were just gasping for water. And then when he put the pipe in it for fresh water, I wasn't here to put the solution in it. So when they get the fresh water without the solution, with the Aqua Plus that makes them be able to live in the pipe water, they died because that wasn't in it at the time before I get back. So I killed my fish. So I have those that survived. So I'm changing the water. I'm gonna let the sun burn the tank, and then later this evening I put back fresh water in it. But I want the sun to burn the walls first before I do anything. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put on the can't see it there. I'm gonna put on the thingy for that, strap it around and put the top on it, like what do you call it, cast it, something like that. Yeah, on this. So what I'm gonna do this morning and cut the steel, and then tomorrow so I render it. When it reaches the top of the dish, they will just normally swim out. Need some more rocks. Because they love to hide under rocks. Sometimes you come out here, most of the time, and you don't even see them because they hid under the rocks. I'm going to trim up all of these, what do you call these again? Palm, Christmas palm. I'm going to take off all of those bloomings because they drop in there. All the blooms drop in there. Also help to corrode the water. Hey! Better keep your eyes on me. Yeah, I was playing my Celine Dion while I was doing this. So I didn't have no time to record because I need the boost. I don't know. Up here is 7, almost 7.5. But from right here is 7.25. Look, y'all know I don't know my tape measure good. I only know 1/2 and 1/4. Alright, look. Say it's at the 9. I don't know if you can see, but remember my eyes no good, so, and I'm out in the sun. And look, it's exactly on the 9, right? You see that? On the 9. But look over here. It's not exactly on the 9 stroke, which is the 1/2, right? I don't know. Measurements are so funny. Look, you see where that's at? 7.25. Quarter. Fucking 7, and it's the same fucking size block. And you know me, I did the same fucking block. Is it because I have a little curve in it, y'all? I think I have a little curve in it, and I'm gonna pull up these steels a little bit more. And y'all, yeah, I should put a steel. Yeah, and I'm gonna cut another 7 feet, because this 7 feet steel, it goes into this wall in here. So I think I have to cut one put in here. I don't think so. I could just tie it up on that, right? Check out my view. Damn, hope you needed an apartment. So you could just sit right here and was like, oh, check out the pool view, y'all. But no, just this apartment right here. Y'all thinking in 10 years time, when I be able to buy this could turn into the front or the bedroom walkout balcony, huh? So this bedroom could have a door there, and you just walk out, and you could come right here, perhaps, I don't know, like build something right there in the future, if and when I can afford this bitch. Oh Lord, I need a miracle. Yeah, trying to turn this place into a villa. I don't know basic. It's floating. Oh God. Oh Lord, it floats like a ship. I literally thought. Okay, so one is dense, one is lighter than the other, so the water is gonna push it up. Oh God. Common sense on a roll, Champo. Common sense on a roll. You guys wanna go? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. You know, let me put in back the fucking algae in the thing. And go on, sucker, you sucker. Suckers! Suckers! Get out of the dish! Yeah. Clean water. Oh, this will kill them caught. Oh, Lord. So I'm rotating from the aquarium to my rooftop wall. And it's... Here they go. Dog here, palm blossom, palm whatever. See, first thing he goes is under the rocks because they want to go hide from out of the sun. I come to look for the barrow to go and get my material. Oh, fudge, Spence put his... Oh. Man, that little boy. Hey, sometimes he come and hide, you know, the bones that you buy in the supermarket or the pet shops. He come and hide them in there, and then days you see come digging out looking for it. That's if I don't already take it out. But he ain't staying out with me. He ain't staying out with me. In the cold. That's what he does. He don't like it outside too much. When he come and have his heat bath, sun bath, he just come right back in, push the door. Yeah, I have to put that in there so it doesn't get my dirt on the chair. Every so often I change it. My blouse. Look at my foot already. I am soaked. I am wet. It's rough out there, guys. It's rough. Gosh, it's so rough. The sun is so hot. You see why I have to spread the throw in the damn sofa? Because if I don't, the sofa is going to be destroyed. Hard because I can't put the phone out in the sun. So I mix this little thingy. You know, like when you're making cake, pudding, and you have the coconut thingy. So I want the top of it to smooth. So after I put this thingy on, after I put this thing on, I'm gonna after I put that thingy on, I'm gonna put that thing on top so it dry with it. So y'all, you won't see the clip that I want to actually put up there and record myself doing it because it's impossible because the sun is hot. Oh gosh. Yeah, just carry this up now because I need the shower. That's the name, right? Shower. Yeah, I need the shower. So I hope none of this not loose and slip and drop and make me break my arse. Yeah, I know it's supposed to be soupy. I can't walk with that soupy thing. Guess what I forgot? Y'all see what I forgot, right? The fucking steel, because I went inside cooling down with my bag juice. And I forgot the steel. The only steel in there. Yeah, no fucking steel. Oh, fuck that. Never bothered. No, this one is hot. Look like it's humid. So freaking humid. Oh, I don't want to touch the door. Mess up the door. So, you'll see it when it's finished, when I put on the finish on the top. Alright? Alrighty then. Peace out. You the top, because I am not going back on that roof. My back is killing me. My hip is killing me. So there we go. I have a little crack right here. Shite. So there it is. So I put on that top the cement with the granites on. Then I wet it and use the flat shovel, the flat one, steel shovel, and flatten it and do it the best way I possibly can. So that's what I get out of it. But I do have a little crack right here, but screw that shit. Paint the fluid out. Then I'm gonna get a bag of cement, I don't know when, and try render this myself. Yeah, I did it. Oh, they just came out of the pool. Yeah, kids, they just came out. Time is hot, man.